Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Talstar Pro is a 7.9% Bifenthrin suspended concentrate insecticide. This product is a synthetic pyrethroid that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Talstar controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for indoor and outdoor use to control fleas, cockroaches, spiders, mosquitoes, and even wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. Talstar Pro is a suspended concentrate. This means that when it's diluted with water, it will settle at the bottom of your sprayer and need to be agitated frequently. If the chemical is allowed to settle completely, it can be very difficult to get a proper mix again. Talstar Pro is not intended to be used as a broadcast spray indoors, only as a spot, crack, and crevice treatment. Also note that widely used products such as Talstar can lead insects to develop a resistance to this chemical. Repeated use of this product with decreasing signs of effectiveness can be an indication of resistance. You will need to cycle active ingredients to minimize this. Use broad-spectrum insecticides like Silo for outdoor treatments and Novicide aerosol for indoor treatments. Both treat similar pests and have a wide range of uses. Before using Talstar Pro, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Talstar Pro at a varying rate, depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pest. Always follow label directions for a proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Overuse of the product could decrease its effectiveness. Talstar Pro comes in either a tip and measure or a squeeze and measure bottle. To measure with a tip and measure bottle, make sure both caps are tight and tip the bottle over so that the insecticide collects in the reservoir. Then tip the bottle back until you have the required amount. To measure with a squeeze and measure bottle, remove the cap on the smaller measuring reservoir and squeeze the bottle. Use the measurement lines on the side of the reservoir to collect the required amount. Add the chemical to your sprayer and then add water. Agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Be sure to repeatedly agitate your sprayer as the product will settle over time. Talstar Pro is typically used as an outdoor broadcast spray, but it can also be used as a barrier spray around structures, including around windows, around doors, along eaves, and any other entry points, such as weep holes and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the walls. Talstar can even be used for termite treatments. It can also be used indoors as a crack, crevice, and baseboard spray. You can apply Talstar Pro with either a pump sprayer, a hose-in sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume applications. Apply Talstar during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast, and keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Talstar Pro has a residual of up to 30 to 90 days. We typically recommend spraying quarterly for preventative control. Talstar is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take up to an hour for it to die. Depending on your target pest's life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.